YouTube Music app in Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can install YouTube Music app in your window. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Chrome browser in your window and then just type in music.youtube.com in your search URL. Once you press enter on your keyboard, you will be taken to YouTube Music, and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in with your account, head over to the upper right corner just in front of this star icon. There is a download icon that will allow you to install YouTube Music app. So click on that and then simply click on install, and depending upon your internet connection, your YouTube Music will be installed in your Windows. And as that's simple, you can simply download or install YouTube Music app in your Windows. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.